This here is a fully loaded 13-inch M4 MacBook Air with 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. Now, if you've been watching YouTube for the past couple of months, people have been saying that the 13-inch MacBook Air base model M4 is possibly the best value laptop going around right now. And I don't doubt it. But the reason why I always spec out my computers to as much money as I can possibly spend. This laptop right here costs a little over $2,000 for me to get a hold of. And I picked up the silver model, and it's always here. Nothing spectacular. We have the packaging and the instructions and the literature, no Apple stickers. Right here is the braided MagSafe cable. And I got the 70-watt power adapter because I want to enable fast charging on the MacBook. So here we are. Here's the MacBook Air. As I said, it's going to be in silver. And oh my goodness. So why did I go for silver over sky blue? Well, the sky blue MacBook Airs don't really look like that blue to me. So I figured I'm just going to go with a classic look and get me a silver MacBook Air because my previous computers have been going space gray and I just wanted to lighten it up and get the silver model. So as I said, the reason why I buy these computers fully spec'd out or why I spend as much money as possible up front is because I want to do a little bit of future proofing. So with this computer right here, I expect it to last until 2030 or even 2032. So 5 to 7 years in the future. So here's the screen, here's the setup. I'll show you a screenshot of the specs so we know what we're really looking at. And yeah, man, I'm totally stoked. So I'm gonna play with this. So the plan is, I'm gonna use this computer for about a week. And after that, I'm gonna run some benchmarks and compare it to my M1 MacBook Air and see how much of a speed increase I get between the two laptops. So I'm expecting good things from this. This is so awesome for me. Just, maxing out as much as I could. And I really feel like I have the best MacBook Air out there. All right, that's about it. Peace.